Never pressure wash your roof. The hidden damage it causes costs thousands to repair. Soft washing uses specialized cleaning solutions with low pressure to safely remove dirt, algae, and moss without damaging shingles or tiles. High pressure strips away protective granules, forces water under shingles, and can void your warranty. Instead, professional soft washing kills growth at the root, extends your roof's lifespan by years, and keeps it cleaner 4 to 5 times longer. For best results, use biodegradable cleaners that break down organic matter without harsh chemicals. Remember, a properly soft-washed roof only needs cleaning every 3 to 6 years. Don't risk your biggest investment with the wrong cleaning method.